Very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Devangini Vyas, and today my topic's name is Frankenstein Swings Between Hope and Despair. Paper number 103, Literature of Romantics. Here is my academic information. Hypothesis in Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. The unchecked ambition of the characters, especially Victor Frankenstein and the monster, leads to unavoidable despair. This shows that chasing personal goals without caring about moral and ethical boundaries result in a tragic outcomes and deep emotional pain. As we know how Victor Frankenstein throughout the novel chase his unchecked ambition. Table of contents. Introduction. Author Mary Shelley, published in 1818. Focus. The themes of ambition and despair run deeply throughout the Frankenstein, profoundly influencing the lives and fates of all the main characters. This presentation examines how these themes are manifested in Victor Frankenstein, the monster, Elizabeth Lavenza, and Henry Clerval. Victor Frankenstein. Victor Frankenstein's hope. Victor wants to discover the secret of creating a life. He hopes his work will revolutionize science and bring him glory. His despair feels horror and regret upon seeing a monster. Consequences experiences despair as the monster's action lead to the deaths of his loved ones. As we know, monster kills Victor's loved ones at the end of the novel. First quote represents Victor's hope, and second quote represents Victor's despair. Life and death appeared to me ideal bounds, which I should first break through and pour a torrent of light into our dark world. Second, the beauty of the dream vanished, and breathless horror and disgust filled my heart. Second, the monster's hope. He initially seeks companionship and understanding from humans. As we know, the monster initially learns from humans, and also he educates himself, his hopes, and integrating into society. Monster's despair. He faces a constant rejection and hostility from humans, leading to feelings of anger and vengeance. His initial hope turns to despair, fueling his desire for revenge against Victor and humility. In the novel, we can find the monster take a revenge against Victor and kills his loved one in the end of the novel. First quote represents monster's hope. Second one represents monster's despair. First, I had admired the perfect form of my cottagers, their grace, beauty, and delicate complexations. Second one, I am malicious because I am miserable. I am not shunned and hated by all mankind. As we know, monster neglected by people around him. Third, Elizabeth's hope. She hopes for a happy future with Victor and their family. Her ambition to keep the family united and maintain peace. Elizabeth despair. She faces sorrow and fear as the monster's actions lead to the loss of her loved ones. Her hope for a happy future is destroyed when she becomes a victim of the monster's revenge. We know about how a monster killed Elizabeth. Fourth one, Henry's hope. hopes to explore the world and achieve great things. Supportive role, finds the joy and hope in his friendship with Victor. Henry's despair, unintentionally caught in Victor's tragic experiments. Despair, his bright future and dreams are cut short by the monster's revenge. Monster destroyed Victor's family and his friend as well. Conclusion, the novel shows that unchecked ambition leads to despair. Victor's and the monster's ambitions cause suffering not only to themselves but also to those around them. This story teaches that chasing goals without thinking about the consequences can lead to tragic outcomes and emotional pain. Here is my references. Thank you. Now you are free to ask questions.
Devangini, my question is, how does Elizabeth experience hope and despair?
Yes, Elizabeth hopes for a better future with Victor Frankenstein, but she feels despair when a monster kills her. Monster kills her hopes and ambition as well. Next.
So, Devangini, why does the monster feel despair?
Monster feels despair because he neglected by people around him because of his outer appearances. Thank you.